If you've had a chance to watch any of my other videos, you'll notice that I always recommend choosing the highest liability limits that you can. So like on the auto, personal auto, I carry the 500,000 combined single limit. On your homeowners, I recommend the 1 million liability if they offer that. Some companies still only offer 500,000, but if you can get the million, I think you'd be surprised. It's not that much more money and definitely worth twice the liability coverage. But on top of that, I always recommend an umbrella liability policy, at least 1 million. This is an extra layer of coverage that overlooks all your other personal liability policies. So say you have a homeowner's, an auto, ATV, maybe a motorcycle, that umbrella will cover those policies. And the way it works is once those policies are maxed out in a situation, your umbrella would then kick in. So let's look at auto for a second. You're in an at-fault accident, multiple cars, multiple people injured, and your liability limit is quickly maxed out. Well, if you have a $1 million umbrella policy, that will now kick in and help cover the costs of any damage or bodily injury that you've caused. Now, if you didn't have the umbrella, they could possibly come after any of your other assets, like your home. So it is an important coverage to have. Don't be one of those people that says, "Oh, that'll never happen to me," because we hear that a lot, and no one obviously expects to have a major accident, but it's good to be prepared. We've seen a situation where a homeowner had a July 4th party. The fireworks went off unexpectedly. A few people injured, and the homeowner's liability was quickly maxed out. And in this case, thankfully, he did have an umbrella to help cover those additional costs of the injuries. So it is a good thing to have. One thing I do want to point out, because I hear this misconception a lot, a personal umbrella is only going to cover personal policies. If you have a small business, I mean, we have a lot of small-time contractors, they'll have a business policy and they think their personal umbrella is going to cover the business as well. Well, and that's not the case. In insurance, personal and business is treated totally separate. So on the business side, you would need a business umbrella to cover that. And again, the business umbrella would not cover your home and auto. They're totally separate, and it's just something I wanted to point out. But give us a call. We'd love to quote an umbrella for you. It's really not that expensive when you factor in you're getting $1 million worth of coverage. So give us a call, and we'd love to quote that for you.